There's a sound you hear before you taste it. The steady crack of skin turning golden in an iron pot. That sound is cracklins. In the days of slavery, when enslaved Africans were given the parts of the hog nobody else wanted, nothing could be wasted. Our ancestors knew something powerful. What others throw away can still be made into something good. When hogs were slaughtered in the winter, every piece had a purpose. The skin, thick and layered with fat, was cut into chunks and dropped into hot lard. Slowly, the fat rendered down. The skin tightened. The edges browned. And what came out was something crisp, rich, and filling. That crunch carried more than flavor. Carried ingenuity. Carried resilience. Through emancipation, cracklins didn't disappear. They traveled, from plantation yards to country stores, from cast iron pots to roadside stands. In the rural South, you could smell them frying long before you saw them. By the 20th century, cracklins became a Saturday ritual in many Southern communities. Wrapped in brown paper, sprinkled with salt, sometimes dusted with red pepper, shared among friends, passed around at cookouts, eaten straight from the bag. But underneath the crunch is history. Cracklins remind us that soul food was never just about taste. It was about dignity in the midst of deprivation. It was about transforming what was left behind into something worth gathering around. Today, when you hear that grease pop and see those golden edges curl, you're watching legacy. You're hearing the echo of hands that refuse to waste, refuse to quit, and refuse to let hardship define them. That's the story of cracklins. Simple, crunchy, unforgettable, and always deeper than it looks. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.